What is going on YouTube? Here back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we'll be discussing Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, as well as Stellar Lumens to USD. We'll be looking at the coin market cap, as well as the fact that Litecoin just hit or retested $140, which we have not seen Litecoin test in about a year now. Litecoin hasn't been $140 since way into, I believe it was 2018, early 2018. So that's pretty wild to see, Litecoin growing. We're going to pretty much figure out whether or not we're going to continue to head on higher. I made a video saying that there's potential to see a $200 Litecoin, within 2019. So we're going to talk a little bit more about that. As well as there is a huge announcement to be made on YouTube. Hopefully you guys are paying attention to the subscriber count, but if you haven't, we just broke 10,000 subscribers, I believe sometime in the middle of the night. I woke up with a little over 10,000 subscribers, and currently we have 10,018 subscribers. And I've been saying it since we had, I think, 5K that I will be doing a giveaway at the 10,000 subscriber mark to give back to you guys for making this all possible. So there will be two things that I will be giving away in the next upcoming episodes. I guess we'll figure out, on today's video, if you guys comment everything that I'll say in a second, I will make sure to send those things out to you. So there'll be two giveaways. The first one will be for a Ledger Nano X. Now I did originally want to give away something more like $100 of Litecoin, but I was like, why not give something a little more useful? This Ledger X is actually like $200 in value, if not a little bit more. It's Ledger's newest thing, and as you guys know, Ledger does sponsor the channel, so I was appreciative enough to get one of these sent to me, and I decided to give it back to you guys. So I will be raffling this off in a giveaway, as well as another thing that came in the mail that I want to give away to you guys. If I can get it out. Alrighty. So you can see right here, we have Liquid Assets, which is a Bitcoin drink, which is pretty awesome as well. A company called Crypto Mavericks, if you look them up on Instagram, Crypto Mavericks, which is pretty huge, decided to also sponsor the giveaway, and they sent out a case of Liquid Assets energy drink. So if you guys are interested in getting that, I'll also be doing that giveaway today. All you really have to do to enter these giveaways is to comment down below, subscribed, as well as, that's pretty much going to be it. Just leave a comment down below. Tell me that you are subscribed to the channel. Make sure you do subscribe to the channel. Drop a like on the video. I know I want to see this video get like 300 to 400 likes, and then I'll give both of these away. We'll pick two random people. If I choose you, I'll comment on your messages, or I'll tell you to email me, and then you'll just send me your shipping address or your home address, and I'll send these two out to you guys. So that's pretty awesome. Those two giveaways are what we're going to be doing moving forward. So comment on this video, and then in the next couple of days, we'll let the views move up. And then I guess at the end of the week, I'll pick two winners for not only the Ledger X as well as the Liquid Assets drink. What you could do is you could either comment down below which one you'd like to have, either the Ledger X or the Bitcoin Liquid Assets. I know there's a difference in value, but we'll pick two random people. I'll figure out how to do it as we move on. So otherwise, I guess we'll jump into the technical analysis part of the episode. But thank you again, guys, for making it to 10,000 subscribers. Never thought we'd see the day, but now that means we'll have to shoot for 100,000 subscribers, and we'll do an even bigger giveaway then. So let's just jump into the technical analysis, and then we'll wrap up the episode. So as you guys can see, check out the channel. We have 10,018 subscribers, and it is growing at such a fast pace I can't even keep up with it. I think we gained 100 subscribers just yesterday alone, which is absolutely fantastic and wild. So let's shoot for maybe 20K. That will be another giveaway potentially, but 100K is the big number now. After 1,000, then it's 10,000. Now it's 100,000 subs. So that's really what we're pushing for. But otherwise, let's jump into the technical analysis, the coin market cap. This is the first thing we like to start off with. For those of you who are new to the channel, we like to review the coin market cap first, because this does help us gauge where exactly the market's headed or what we should expect before we dive into the charts in a deeper analysis. So you can see Bitcoin dominance is 55.4, 24-hour volume is 65 billion, and market cap is 261. So market cap is up quite a bit, so is the volume. More so, the market cap is skyrocketing compared to where we were just looking a couple days ago. You can see out of the top 10 cryptocurrencies, we're seeing all of them in green. We're seeing all of them move up. We're seeing everything positive, double-digit cryptos, and I'll discuss what I said in yesterday's video, which was when, we'll dive into it more when I look at the Litecoin and Bitcoin charts. But Bitcoin is now 8180, up 4.7%, and the big giveaway out of the top 10 cryptos, which we're now seeing more so over and over again is Litecoin, which is hitting double digits, if not starting rallies before the rest of the market follows, which is now $142, which is absolutely wild to see. 11.07% we are up. It is absolutely wild. We have $5.9 billion in volume, which is now 6 times as much as XRP has, which is absolutely phenomenal. And it really does blow my mind. This is a coin that we've been charting for almost a year now, if not a year. And it is absolutely fantastic to see how well we are crushing, the game right now. So you can see Litecoin's chart, we are currently trading at 130, I think it's 140. Let's see. There we go. $142. Once again, exploding off our resistance right here, just now entering an overbought market. And I want to discuss with you what exactly that means. Yesterday we made a video and I was saying that, yes, Litecoin is nearing overbought, and that does indicate that a retracement is necessary, but that doesn't mean we should just focus on Litecoin. Litecoin isn't the biggest deciding factor within the rest of the markets. We have to look at the other altcoins as well, and then figure out where exactly we could head up. Now, we know that Litecoin is nearing overbought, but when we look, and this is what I mentioned in yesterday's video, at the other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, you'll notice there's something different on these markets. You'll notice that Litecoin is overbought on its daily, but Bitcoin is trading at 50 on its RSI on the daily, which gives us plenty of room to move up. And as we know, Bitcoin is a leading dictator in terms of where the market can swing. And if Bitcoin is nowhere near overbought, that means there's potential for the altcoins to continue to rise up into that overbought market. That's the same thing that applies with Ethereum. As Ethereum loads in, you'll notice it's the same exact thing. Ethereum is trading at 50 on the RSI, giving us plenty of room to continue up. So if we do now see Bitcoin and Ethereum start to take off and move to the upside back up to 270, we should inevitably see that volume trickle down into Litecoin and push Litecoin's price even higher than $140, which we're currently trading at now, which means that Litecoin could really retest 170, if not $200 within the very near future. That really isn't that far off. You'll notice if we, the fact that we're making more leeway, we need to add some more lines onto the chart, some more resistances, some more support. You can see exactly where we're finding one right now. Right at around 143 does seem to be a pretty strong resistance that we're, coming into contact with already. But for the most part, we are looking to continue to head higher up if the markets allow it. If we see like Ethereum and Bitcoin allow us to continue up, which we pretty much have that clearance, we have the runway to continue to higher levels. So it's pretty awesome. I think all these cryptos are ready to pop. It's interesting to see that Bitcoin and Ethereum are up 5% today. When we look at Bitcoin and Ethereum's chart, we're noticing that they're actually seeing this retracement back down to 70, it's at 78.60, but on the daily, we're currently, now that's interesting too to see now that Bitcoin is currently 81.80. It's interesting that on Bitcoin's chart on the Coinbase, it's actually lower. So I want to click on Bitcoin and kind of see what exchanges are trading Bitcoin a little bit higher. Now, this is something that I haven't really shown you guys on the channel, so this is cool too. But you can actually see all the exchanges right now with Coinbase and, on the coin market cap. So as we load down to the server, you'll notice there's a option to click on markets. All you do is when you click on the markets, it's now going to show you all the exchanges that Bitcoin is trading at and all the different prices. A lot of people think that the Bitcoin price is universal, and for the most part it is, but there's actually a lot of differentiation within the different exchanges, which I know is going to blow a lot of people's minds. But you can see right now that we do have all the different exchanges loaded in right now, and you'll notice that the price of Bitcoin is different on practically every exchange. We have 81.83. We then have on this exchange $8,400. So there's about a $220 difference between these two Bitcoin prices, and it literally just changes as we can continue down. And I believe on some exchanges you can see BCEX, Bitcoin is trading at 7,800, and on others it's 8,400. So that's about a $600 difference. And you'll notice that the prices are all the same. I have heard that some people like to, transfer their Bitcoin to other exchanges and cash out on the difference. I know it does take quite some time to do that now that we know that Bitcoin is a slower rate, but it is definitely still a possibility to see these different cryptocurrencies. And we know that the coin market cap averages all of those out. Weird that this just crashed on me, but for the most part, we're seeing retracement within Bitcoin on Coinbase, and we're seeing the opposite happen with Litecoin on Coinbase. So if indeed we do see Bitcoin and Ethereum start to trade up and start to move up to higher levels, which is 270 on Ethereum and Bitcoin to easily $8,900, $9,000. This will inevitably trickle over volume into Litecoin. Now we could see Litecoin easily pump higher, even more into the overbought market, because we're literally just on the cusp right now, and we could see a potential $200 retest within Litecoin. So lastly, I do want to check out XLM, and then we'll wrap up today's episode. You can see that XLM, we've been tracking, is having a descending triangle. It's very clear to see. We have our bottom support right at around 0.117 with a downtrend that has started off at around 16 cents, which indicates if we do see a run, we could see a pretty big gap. There is ways to track this. There's a indicator right here. We then started off here and expand this up. If it lets me, you can see, oh, that's the wrong one. So it's as simple as clicking on this indicator right here, clicking the price range, bam, and then we started at the mouth of the triangle, extend this up to around a 33% gain, and then all we do is just transfer this over, or we can open up a new one, and then we'll start from the mouth and move up around 33% gain, which is practically the same price level. So we could easily see the percentage wise that a Bitcoin move, or sorry, a Stellar Lumens move would open to the same potential. It has the same potential as where the mouth of the breakout started, or the mouth of the retracement of the descending triangle started. Let me just delete these. So we could see a nice pop, a nice move to the upside to around 16 cents, if not higher, on Stellar Lumens. So I'm keeping a very close eye. Those of you who have me on Patreon, you guys will be able to, I'm going to be talking about this on there too, maybe starting new videos on Patreon. It's going to be pretty awesome. I know with my busy schedule, it's really hard to focus on all of you guys, and I never thought Patreon was going to grow to the size it is. So I'm going to try to figure out ways to balance it out. If you guys have me on Patreon, huge shout out to you guys for helping support the channel. If you don't, Patreon is a way to get access to all my charts exclusively there, live updating everything, things that you don't get on YouTube. It's a huge growing community as well, so I highly recommend you check it out. Otherwise, guys, that's going to sum up today's episode. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications. We hit freaking 10K, which is huge. So, we're going to be doing this giveaway, 2 giveaways. The rules are comment down below that you've subscribed to the channel, and then make sure to drop a like on this. That helps with the search engine optimization on YouTube, and it helps me rank higher. So definitely make sure to smash the like button, and then comment subscribed and what you want to be entered in the giveaway. Either, the Ledger Nano X, or I think it is the Bitcoin liquid assets. So we're going to be giving both of those away. I'm going to pick 2 random people. I know there's going to be more so people choosing the Ledger Nano X. So I'm going to figure it out. If you guys want both, comment both, and then yeah, we'll play it by ear. We'll do the giveaway at the end of the week, which is right around the corner. It's Hump Day Wednesday. So otherwise, guys, I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.